Hey, I'm going to derive the formula of distance between 2 points, and for that I have drawn this figure OX, x-axis, OY, y-axis, and 2 point A and B, and AB is a distance between point A and B. Coordinate of point A x1 y1, coordinate of point B x2 y2, and I have drawn perpendicular BD and AE on x-axis, and another perpendicular I have drawn AC on BD. So ABC is a right angle triangle, and BD equal y2 and CD equal y1. That means BD equal y2 and CD equal y1. So BC equal y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Now I am going to find length of AC. So OD equal x2. Okay, x coordinate of point D x2, x coordinate of point B x2. So OD equal x2 and OE equal x1. So ED equal actually AC equal x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. Actually ED and AC equal. So ED equal AC equal x2 minus x1. Now we already got length of AC, length of BC, and since ABCD is a right angle triangle, and I am going to apply Pythagoras formula. So according to the Pythagoras, AB square equal AC square plus BC square. That means AB square equal, okay, value of AC x2 minus x1 whole square, value of BC y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB equal square root x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square, and this is the formula between 2 points A and B. We can also write this like this way: square root x1 minus x2 whole square y1 minus y2 whole square. Both are correct. Since power is 2 even number, so x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 actually same. And this is the generalized formula or standard formula of distance between 2 points A and B. And I hope you got this. I am Muzammil Haq, and this is Muzammil World, and I am looking forward to seeing you to the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.